breast. You will need a pack of sausage. I got the garlic one because my man loves garlic, so I got him these. You will also need a pack of paninis, and these are the Alfredo sauces that I like to use. The Classico, there's a roasted garlic Alfredo because he likes garlic, and then I got one for cheese Alfredo. And then you could either buy the real parsley or the one that's already in flakes. That's the one I got here. And I like to use the garlic and herb seasoning. This is a really good one for, I don't know, I guess it's like salt free, so it's a lot healthier, but I love using this one. And then this is cayenne red pepper, so I will be adding this to make it spicy, so which is really good. That way así para que se enchile la boca. And then some Parmesan cheese, and then that's all. Everything here you see here is $20 for a whole meal. It is really good, and I can't wait to start. So this is what my pack of chicken now looks like, all chopped up. You can chop it smaller if you're going to be feeding a lot more, but if it's just for me and my man, and most likely my dad, he'll come and eat some. This is how much I need, and I'm also gonna start opening and cutting this garlic, the garlic sausage, I mean. My water boiling a little bit, so I'm gonna put in my panini pasta. That should do it. I am going to add half of my other bag just in case that way I have lunch for tomorrow, and my boo has lunch for tomorrow, and food for later. I have my olive oil on low. I'm going to mince my fresh garlic in here, so let me bring it. I have my handy dandy ginger, and that's gonna okay, and then that should be enough for now. I will be adding more later, so let me go get the chicken and all of that stuff so I can put it in here. Added my pollito. I have it here. I'm gonna be putting it so that way it all gets in the oil, and then I will be adding my peppers. Let me bring this one. Is my herbs and garlic, and I'm just gonna since it is mostly Cajun what I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna put a lot of seasoning like I usually normally do. I am just mixing it in and then adding more as I go, just to have the chicken taste good and, you know, have flavor. And that way it starts cooking. I want to make sure that my chicken is covered, so I do like to add a little bit extra seasoning. And then once my chicken is ready, what I'm going to do is add my sausage. I just wanted to cook my chicken first. And then I'm going to just cook there. So now that my chicken is almost ready, what I'm gonna do is start adding all of my cooked sausage, and then how it looks now. Oh my god, if you guys can smell how amazing this is. Oh my god, it smells so good. What I'm doing now is just roasting my little sausages and finish cooking my meat. I mean my chicken. There is some pieces that are still pink, and I'm not trying to get anyone sick. And so that's what I'm doing. I will leave it for like, I would say 5 more minutes at least, and then I already took the water out of my panini pasta, and then we'll be adding the rest of the spices and all of the good stuff. So let me finish cooking this. And my little weenies are all roasted. I'm gonna add my cayenne pepper. I've never tried cayenne pepper actually, so I'm not sure how spicy this is. So in case it is spicy, pues, so we have drinks. And I'm gonna keep adding more, but I do want to mix it a little bit. That way I could see it turning red. Let me see what I'll do. This much, I'm not sure if it's a lot or not, but if not, I'll keep adding more once I put in the sauce. I'm just mixing it, making sure que no se me va a pegar, and that's how it's supposed to look. Okay, now I'm gonna add my sauces, and then I'll add more depending on how red it looks, and then we'll see from there. Okay, so it has a good color, as you guys can see. It's really creamy, so I only put 1 can, depending on how much panini and how saucy it is after I put the pasta in. It will see if I'll add more sauce or leave it like that. Oh my god, it smells so bomb, and it's so easy to make and super affordable. The title of this whole recipe is gonna be Boujee on a Budget. Literally, you can eat hella fancy and with only $20 or maybe less. I did get some more stuff, like I got a salad and some other stuff. So if you already have like the pastas, or you have the seasoning, which is most likely, the seasoning was more expensive than the actual pasta, so more likely it's gonna be cheaper than $20. So I would say like $20 or less. Super easy. And now I'm going to add the pasta. I haven't mixed it yet. I still have more pasta in here, so I will see right now how it's looking. Now I gotta mix it. Oh my god, it smells so good. All of the sauce and everything is at the bottom. Oh, I didn't even realize I wasn't even recording it on the way, so. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I am gonna add just a bit more salt. I haven't tasted it. Let me see. Okay. So it has a really good taste. Oh wow, it is a little spicy. So I am gonna add a lot more Alfredo sauce just because. So I added half of the whole pasta. What I'm gonna do is turn it down actually, and just keep stirring it to get it more flavorful. It's so good. Literally all it needed was cayenne pepper and that seasoning. I am adding a little bit more because they like it more saucy. If you don't like it saucy, then 1 should be enough, or at least 1.5. That way, let me see. That's good. And then I have my Parmesan cheese, and I'm gonna be mixing that into. Oops. That's gonna be cheesy. Okay, so while that Parmesan melts, what I'm gonna do is get the flakes, the Parmesan flakes. By Parmesan, I mean parsley. It's so cheesy. Oh my god, it looks so good. So you just want to keep on mixing the Parmesan. I think one went overboard. I know I didn't. It's so good. Well, it smells good. Hopefully it tastes good. So that's that.